Hey, this is Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in to my Grilling with Shaq series. Today we're going to go ahead and be making some grilled catfish fillets. And let's go ahead and hop right into it. So first I'm going to go ahead and add all of my seasonings to one bowl to mix that up first before applying it to the fish. So now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle the seasoning mix over the fish fillets. And I'm going to go ahead and massage it in just to make sure that every inch has seasoning, and add a little bit more. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and preheat my grill to 350 degrees. I'm going to add some butter. I do want my grilled fish cooked in butter, so I'm going to add some butter and just move it around the grill here to pretty much cover the entire grill with butter. Okay, so now that the butter is completely melted, I'm going to go ahead and lay the fish fillets down on the grill. This does fit two. They're pretty big, so I'm only going to be able to put two on here. And as you can see, they have already started to cook. So I'm going to go ahead and let these cook. I'm going to cook them for about 7 to 8 minutes on each side. I did forget to add my liquid smoke, so I'm going to go ahead and add some to the fish I have in a bowl. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit on the top of my fish here on the grill. Too much, but it works. It gives it a smoke flavor, sort of like an outdoor grill. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close the top here to let them cook a bit. Okay, so I did go ahead and I flipped them over to let them cook on the other side as well. They cooked approximately between 7 to 8 minutes per side. Now they are done, so I'm going to go ahead and remove these from the grill. And I had another one over here in the bowl that I'm going to go ahead and put on the grill and let that one cook. I did have to use like 2 spatulas to get that one off because it was breaking up. That's how I usually know when they're done. And I can show you here, it just peels apart. Alright, so I added all of them back to the grill to heat up. And here we are. So we did go ahead and side it with some sweet potato puffs and some curly fries and coleslaw. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you want me to grill up on my Shaq Grill. See you next time. Bye.